Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add product categories and WooCommerce at 2026. So the method that I'm going to show you is to add a product category from the dashboard, and that's the recommended method, okay? So all you need to do is to go with the left hand menu and go to the product option, and after that go and scroll into the categories and click it just like so. So on the left side, you will need to fill in the name. So that means the category name, like shoes, and slug. So slug means URL friendly name, like auto generated. And we have here the parent category, and that's optional for subcategories. Also the description, so that's optional too, and the display type, so it's products, subcategories, both, so you can go with both or products or subcategories, it's up to you. And the thumbnail, so that's a category image that you can upload from your files or your computer files, okay? And after you're finished, just go ahead and click on add new category. So actually, to create a subcategory, and that's optional as I said, you can go and enter a name like sneakers, for example, and select the parent category, and after that you will need to click add a new category, okay? So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.